Brett, thank you. Our team coverage continues as that storm continues to move across East Texas. Let's go and bring in our Jesus Martinez, who's live in Longview tonight. Jesus, what are you seeing?
Hey, good evening, Brandon. Well, basically everything you guys saw in Tyler, we're seeing it right now. We saw the strong winds, lightning, the thunder, and did I mention the winds? Yeah. Earlier at the top of the show, you probably saw our shot of all the strong winds here blowing the trees. There's a couple of flags off to my right. Those things were not howling, but it just sounded like thunder. They're flapping so hard. You can see a little bit of lightning right now. Hopefully we can hear the thunder, but really all evening long, it's been a wait and sit game here in Longview, seeing a couple of showers on and off. Nothing severe up until this point. As we were getting ready for this show not too long ago, around maybe 10, 15 minutes ago, we got a big gust of wind. And you can see in the background the thunder still roaring. But right before we were getting ready for this live shot, a big gust of wind flew by. And honestly, since then, about 15, 20 minutes afterwards, the temperatures have plummeted, as Brett was saying. And the winds, as of now, have calmed down. But we'll be continuing to look around for any damages, maybe down power lines, and see what else we can find here in Longview. But until then, I'm going to send it back to you in the studio, Brendan.
All righty, Jesus, thank you. And those